Hey everyone, Trina here, back with day 27 for the Mixed Media 100-day art project. Today I'm going to try out this Molotov, masking liquid to create some white marks and preserve white marks and then put some ink over it. So let's get started. So we're just gonna put some of these down, and what this is gonna do is mask off some of the parts. It's kind of dry. Let's go in with a palette knife. Not really quite what I wanted. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of, I'm going to add some more water over here to the side. I'm going to go in with a little acrylic ink. I'm not really, actually let's put a little bit more through here too. We'll see what happens when we mix the acrylic ink in with it. That acrylic ink. It's so dramatic. And this got a little dark, but that's okay. That acrylic ink is going to dry a little bit later. Hopefully this is going to be white. Okay, let's let that dry. I'm going to add in some Neocolor gold. And hope that that comes off. Otherwise it's going to look really bad. Okay, we're going to dry this and then we'll see what happens when we rub off the white. So I've got this rubber eraser tool. It's supposed to take that off really easily. And it's kind of coming off. You can see it did not really work. So I don't think it was thick enough, but I might just go ahead and cover that up so we can erase it and see. So I'm going to just go in with a little bit of sepia here. And we'll pull that down and then we'll see if we can erase the rest of it. It did not work as well as I thought it was going to work, but that's okay. We live and we learn, right? Let me dry that and then we'll see if we can get the rest of that blue off. gonna use this rubber. Oh, it's kind of working. It should be working much better than this. I think it's because it was so light, because it's a pretty thick, when it's not dried out, it's pretty thick. Okay, so you can see I got some of it off. But I really still want to play with this idea of the white. So I've just laid down some acrylic paint here. And we'll just make our own little white. I just kind of wanted it through here. I was just I saw the pen when I was cleaning up a little bit and thought it might be fun to try, but I probably should have seen that it was all dried out. I haven't even bought it that. I've only bought it like 3 months ago. It's kind of disappointing. Yeah, but that's nice. That's nice through there. Let's put a little bit over here. Okay. I'm going to add some more of this ink tints through here. Boy, these things get slimy when they're wet. My fingers. Ugh. I think we might need some stencils, maybe. Let's do that. Okay, let's add a bit of white through here. Little scratchy marks. Kind of like that. Might put some like right through here as well. Can't really see it that much, but it might need some. Don't know what it needs. Maybe some black. Let's go in with some of this black. That kind of got gray, but that's okay. Having too much fun with these stencils lately. Can't really see that. It's kind of dried out. It's okay. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Didn't have enough paint on there. Okay. Might wanna. It's pretty subtle, but I don't hate it. But I'm not liking this section up here. I don't know what to do about that. Okay, I'm gonna come in with more of the acrylic ink up here. I don't like whatever that shape is I made up there, so we're gonna try to get rid of it. $1,000 times better. A little bit more. Need to look more intentional and less slapped on. If that makes sense. Let's come back in with the ink tints pencil. Make some marks through here. Wish there were a white Inktense pencil. I'm going to go in with this Caran d'Ache Golden Ochre. I feel like it needs some mid-tone values through here. Oh, that's nice. I think that works. I know it's about to be spring, but I seem to be stuck in autumn. Like I'm forever in autumn. It's my favorite time of the year, autumn. Let's add up a little bit of this English red. Just to give another layer of depth. To mimic those stencil marks that I made earlier. Let's add a little bit of this apricot color. Just to kind of see what it does. Add in, it's not really showing up that great, but just a few little marks here and there. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So it's very optimal. It has this sort of dark, moody, optimal landscapey feel. I'm not terribly happy with this. I think I got too obsessed with the white marks and then I got kind of lost and I didn't know where to go. I mean, it's okay, but it's not really, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. Let's look at it with the matte. Putting the matte on it really does help a little bit. I like what's going on through here, and I like the sky right through here. It gets a little muddy in here, but it's still expressive. It's still landscapey feel. It's just maybe a little too compacted. Like, I don't feel like there's a lot of good energy in this piece. So, oh well, win some, lose some. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video over here to the left if you want to see more work. And I will see you tomorrow for day 28. Thanks so much. Bye.